So hey guys, what is up and welcome back to the channel. This is me TechLach with another amazing video. So guys, this video and this tutorial series will be about making a Discord server from the scratch. Yes guys, from the scratch. I'll be teaching you guys from the scratch. I'll tell you what all you guys need for a basic or extraordinary server. So as you can see, Me6 I've named it as dad and Dino have named it as mother. I don't know why I did that. I just felt um, dad will be welcoming everyone in, and mother just takes care of the server. I don't know why I did that. So yeah, the first bot you have to invite to your server is Me6. So Me6 is the main thing which you want to invite first. So as you can see, this thing looks so cool, right? If someone joins, it shows like my name is blah 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 blah, and it's really amazing, right? It makes you feel cool. Cool, yeah, cool. So as you can see, here's general and dynamo. Sorry, I mean dino. Sorry, not dynamo. And dino will help you a lot, like making polls and all stuff, and rules page where if you react, you get a role, and if you don't react, you won't be able to see all these things. So that's not that necessary, but it's fine. And then as you can see, server stats, all members, bots, roles. So let's start from the beginning. The first step, let's make it as adding me6, the first bot ever you'll need. So let's do it. So I have kept my status as DME for making Discord server, and I'm booked right now. So this guy DT Extract has he told me to make a server for him. So I was like, let's teach others to make too. Everybody won't be my friend, so they won't be able to ask me. So I'm doing this tutorial. So let's go to Me6. And by the way, I have to be the moderator of the server. Then only I can add and all stuff. So think you have made the server just now. So how to make a server is click on this plus in your Discord and click on gaming, and then just create one. So I'm gonna be use this server over here to do that. And guys, if you haven't joined my Discord server, join the Discord server. Link will be in the description, and it's a really great server. Yes, let's get started. I meant to open that. Okay, so now we have to go here. First you have to log in. By the way, you have to log in, and then now log in. So once you open this, it'll ask you to log in, and then click on authorize, and then you guys will be sent. Oh, as you can see guys, it'll ask you set up for that server, and then click on whichever server you want and click on setup me6. Then click on that and then click on this, and don't do anything here. It does need administrator though. If it doesn't have administrator, you guys won't be able to see these messages. So I had been trying to do this from like so much time and wasn't able to get it right anytime. So as you can see, still this keep chatting thing, this thing did not work yet, so I have updated it. If some of you guys join again, it's gonna show. I hope it shows, and it's not mentioning the name, so I have to change that too. And as you can see, all these roles over here: YouTuber, owner, Twitch, subscribers, and over here get your roles here. As you can see, if you react to this, you'll get the color name, and this is the ranks. But I'm going off topic. So right here, click on all this verify things, and that is it. Me6 will be added. So the first basic is to. This video might be long, so if you want to create a basic awesome server, you have to watch it, guys. So as you can see, I have added the Me6 bot, and now it has all the administrator stuff. I had administrator stuff, so I don't need to worry. So this is the server right here. Okay, so first thing you have to set up is the welcome command. So click on it's already enabled, so no worries. So now enable this send message when a user joins. So right here, and by the way, if you want like this emojis and all stuff, where's that? Yeah, this or the welcome animated emojis, if you want that to show, you have to add an emoji. So that will be for another video, so let's just do the basic stuff. So click on this, and then let's go to the Discord server, and then you have to create some channels. So let's create a text channel called welcome, and you have to set the permissions. Make this one go on top, and then permissions at everyone. Read messages but don't send messages, okay? And then read message history too, that should be tick. So as you can see, read message tick, and just look at that, and then there will be welcome. So let's go to the Me6 bot again, and then choose the channel called welcome, and then if you want a card to be shown, just click on that and just click on save. And as you can see, it's been set successfully, I hope so. And then give roles to the new user. So if a new user joins, you can give them a role whenever they join. So I'm gonna keep that as this for now, and then I'm gonna save, and then click on this send message when a user leaves, if someone leaves. So come here back and then create another channel. What I have done here is only welcome I've kept here like this, and then I've kept a door category where I've actually nuked it, lol. If someone joins, it's gonna show a very small text right here, just join, not like grand or fancy anything, and just left over here, not grand any fancy. So that would be simple. And then right here, let's make another channel called goodbye. So this is the first part of the thing, guys. If you want to see more of this, go to my channel and subscribe, and you'll guys get more how to do better stuffs in adding more bots and all. So add goodbye, and then go to this. Let me just close this thing right here, okay? And go to that, and then select the channel as goodbye. Is it okay? Can I choose goodbye? Yes, I added goodbye. Okay. So it's been done. Now if he invites a new member, what will happen is I don't know why if I click on confirm it's removing the channel from there. I have no idea, but let's see. There might be some problems in the roles of Me6. So Me6 has to be on top and have administrator role. Okay, so that's done. So that's basically it. And then we have to go to more plugins and then click on levels. So just for fun, let's keep current channel. That's it. Yeah, basically that is it, how you set up levels. And then if you want to put music in your Discord server, go there, and then you gotta add a separate music command channel, or else people will just keep getting people will be just getting some random pings. So you better make a different thing and mute the channel. So that's how you mute. Right click and mute. So right here we have to actually join a proper voice channel before you guys can listen to any music. So right here you can see all these commands right here. If I play, I'm gonna get copyright strike, and the same thing will be happening. So I don't want to get any copyright strike, so you just gotta do like this, play. And as you can see, Me6 just joined me, so I just clicked on play. I think we have to do exclamation join. Yes, so I just have to do exclamation join, not play, but it has already joined, so no worries. Now you can do exclamation play any song, whatever you want. It's gonna just search for it. And that is it, how you can add music commands, goodbye, welcome, and all those stuff. And this is the basic things you guys need. And that is it, guys. I'll meet you guys in the next video, where we'll be learning how to add more bots, server stats, and welcome messages, better welcome messages. And thanks, and see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.
お前はもう